Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA Error Code 43 on your Windows. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start button, type Registry Editor, click on it. Then over here, I want you to select the H key local machine, so it will look like this. Double click on it, go to System, go to Current Control Set, then go to Services. Okay. It's gonna be a lot. Just click on any folder and type the U letter. We need to look for USB. Let me just check. Where was that? Uh, Let me see. USB. I might be missing it here. There's a whole lot to look for. Okay, this USB S tour. All right. Click on the folder. Then click on Error Control. Then basically for the value data, we just need to change this to number 3, right? If you're experiencing this error. Then click on OK, close everything. You can restart your PC. Once you're back, everything should now be working smoothly for your NVIDIA experience. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.